How to make Binance account under 18. You must be 18 or older to create a Binance account. Binance enforces this through ID verification, KYC, and trying to fake your age or use someone else's info can get the account banned or lead to legal issues. Safer alternatives for under 18. Parent-managed account. A parent can open and manage a crypto account on your behalf, letting you learn under supervision. Non-custodial wallets. Apps like MetaMask don't require ID, but you'll still need an adult to help buy crypto. Learn with simulations. Use crypto trading simulators and online resources to build knowledge until you're old enough. Always involve a parent or guardian to stay safe and legal. If you need more information, then you contact customer service. Customer service will provide easy solutions to all your problems. Thank you for watching the video.